Hello, family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. And also, I want to use this opportunity to welcome us to the first day of March 2023. Yeah, it's a brand new month. We're all welcome. And I pray that our expectations shall not be cut short. Yes, in this vlog, I want to update us with the Inec updates on the 2023 presidential election that was held on the 25th of February 2023 in my beloved country, Nigeria. In the wee hours of this morning, as per Nigerian time, that was like 2 to 3 a.m. Nigerian time. INEC decided to announce the presidential reports. Maybe they wanted to take some Nigerians unawares. Probably by the time they woke up this morning, they would have, had the news, read the news that they now have a new president in the person of President Tinubu. In my last blog, I did talk about the irregularities that marred the 2023 presidential election, as per even the video evidences attached, even though it was just a little of what I have that I was able to update, hoping that I'm going to update us with more video evidences. But quite unfortunate. This morning, I don't know what happened. Just woke up. I said, let me just see what's happening on YouTube. Immediately I put on my TV. What's happening here? What are they doing in there? That was Channel TV. The headline caught my attention. INEC announcing the result of the 2023 presidential election. I was like, what? Have they concluded the results? Wow, that's interesting. Let me pay attention. And do you know my family? To my greatest surprise, according to INEC, he scored the highest votes. They declared Mr. Tinubu, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as our current, our current president, starting from May 29th. He will become Nigeria's president. After all said and done, I knew in my heart of heart that many Nigerians will not accept this INEC results. And INEC, in their submissions from various states, from various polling units, they had areas where they had overvotings. They had dogs trying to snatch ballot boxes. In some places, elections were cancelled, and because they didn't allow those other places to, submit their results. And INEC decided to declare their result and declare Tinubu the winner. Well, congratulations to him and his entire team for becoming our next president. May God give him the right wisdom and understanding to lead Nigeria aright. And as per INEC's analysis of the votes casted, INEC said that total votes casted was 24,965,218 call it unity in the spirit of okay, let's just forge ahead. Let's give peace a chance. Maybe eventually Tinubu becomes our president. Just as I've said before, congratulations to him. May God guide him, in this leadership position. Okay? And congratulations to my dear citizens too for their new leader that they've elected. Maybe this is their choice. What do I say? Oh God, thank you for watching. God bless you. God bless Nigeria. Keep being you. Do not be discouraged if this is not what you expected. Yeah. God is God that rules in the affairs of men. God rules in the affairs of men. If you do not like the results, don't worry. They said the court is there for you to go lodge your complaint and sort things out. Let the will of God be done at the end of it all. Thank you. If today is your first day of coming to my channel, the name of my channel is God is Able 2021. Our God is able to do all things. Yes, even in these circumstances and situation, challenges that we are facing right now as a country, God is able to do all things, to change it. So let's keep holding on to Him. Okay? Thank you for coming. Please like my channel, subscribe, comment, do share my videos, and help your sister. God will bless you. Thank you. I will see you in our next vlog, as we now have a new president in the person of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. God bless Nigeria.
This is what we are doing, is being determined to do it. At all costs, fight for it, grab it, snatch it, and run with it.
Yes, Jagaban.